Hey everyone, welcome back to TNA Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into the Vento Micro van, a small but practical vehicle made for city life and small business use. This van might look modest, but it packs a lot of utility into its compact frame. Perfect for navigating busy streets, parking in tight spots, or handling daily errands with ease. People often overlook vans this size, but they're surprisingly versatile. The Vento Micro van is designed to be simple, functional, and efficient. Stick around because we're going to break it all down casually and honestly. Despite its compact size, the Vento Micro van feels surprisingly spacious for its category. The cabin is designed with practicality in mind, giving enough room for passengers and cargo without feeling cramped. It's perfect for short trips around town or for small business deliveries. The van's lightweight build makes it agile in city traffic. You'll notice it doesn't struggle when taking tight corners or navigating congested streets. It's a van that truly understands urban driving needs. Comfort and utility go hand in hand here. One of the standout features is its fuel efficiency. The engine is simple, reliable, and built to keep running without demanding too much maintenance. Fuel consumption is low, which is ideal for budget-conscious owners or small businesses. Daily commuting won't burn a hole in your pocket. Even longer city trips are manageable without frequent stops at the pump. This efficiency makes the Vento Micro van a sensible choice in today's market. Simple mechanics also mean fewer chances of unexpected issues. The ride quality is decent for a vehicle in this segment. While it's not a luxury car, it handles bumps and uneven roads surprisingly well. Driving around town is smooth, and it's stable enough even when loaded with cargo. Steering is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in traffic. Suspension does a good job of absorbing minor shocks. Overall, it gives a comfortable driving experience without overcomplicating things. You'll feel confident behind the wheel. Storage and practicality are where this van really shines. Despite being small, it offers clever cargo solutions for everyday use. You can fit groceries, luggage, or work tools without feeling restricted. Folding or adjustable seats make it adaptable for different needs. The van's interior layout maximizes every inch of space efficiently. For business owners or families, this is a major advantage. It's a small package that works hard.